Hello YouTube, this is XXXman360 here, and welcome back to another episode of Fanware Files. Today we are looking at elementaryos-6.0-stable.20210831.iso. Thank you to Ruby Birdie on my Discord server for sending me this file. We got an OS here. Something new I haven't seen before, so this will be cool. Here's the ISO file right here. I've got VirtualBox, and I'm ready to load it into my computer. This way we can test it out, and maybe install it, do all sorts of things, who knows what. Okay, so booting Elementary OS Live Disk in 3 seconds. Failed to access per, okay. Okay, it's gonna do some things, I guess. When it says this may take some time, how much time we talking here? We're talking a lot of time, we're talking about a little time. Because some is very general. Some is not specific, it is merely implying more than one. It's gonna wrap around the other end of the screen, isn't it? Oh, okay. Prove me wrong. So we got, okay, it's doing something. I can't read all this at once. Start. Okay, the system log. Okay, so I guess the starting services. Are we getting in? Oh, okay. Got some icons in the corner. Ah, okay, here we are. The setup. Oh, cool. It resizes itself. That's very nice. I speak Canadian English because I'm Canadian, but I do have an American keyboard. There's an Esperanto keyboard? I didn't know that. Testing. Okay, good. Let's try demo mode, because we want the things to be quick and easy. Oh, I like this wallpaper. Huh. Wow, how nice. I got videos. Shouldn't take too long. I mean, this is an ISO. It's running off of my hard drive. Okay. Ah, I see. It's got like that Ubuntu kind of look to it, but it also feels like Mac OS at the same time. Let's go on the internet. Cue the Jeopardy theme. Oh wait, I think that's copyrighted, no? Come on, load up for the love of everything on this planet. Just loud. Ah! Oh, here's our browser. Let's go to www.google.com. Oh, we can search for www on google.com. Search query. Oh, yo. Okay, that was a bit slow. Can we search for myself? I'd like that. Yay, there I am. Yeah, this does have Linux-like fonts, I can tell. Hey, what happened to the taskbar? Oh, there it is. Okay, I guess it just disappears when you go full screen like this. Yeah, you can see I changed my profile picture for the sake of October, and I will have ones for November as well, and December. So stay tuned for those, as they'll be coming out in the future. Oh, and if we go to the community tab, I will talk a bit about what's going on. Okay, yes, I will get this posted eventually. No, stay tuned for this, okay? I'm not going to deviate from it. I know it says it's 2 weeks ago, but it will come out. Do not forget that, okay? And you're gonna love it, okay? It's freaking funny, and I know you'll find it funny too. Let's see if there's any songs in this OS. Oh, it doesn't have any sample songs? Huh. I was thinking like, Windows 7 like had some samples, and had some sample videos and stuff like that. I guess not every OS has that, but oh well, tasks. Interesting. That's blatantly put right there. Okay. Can we make a tasks? Okay, we gotta have O2, add task. Gotta what is the name of the other tasks? Prime shields. What else do we gotta do? Oh, we must refuel engines. We must also, well, yeah, med bay submit scan, and we need to go to electrical. There, these are our tasks, and we must complete them, and then we win, and hopefully we don't get killed by the imposter. But it seems like either the imposter gets voted out first, or everyone dies. I've never seen a round where everyone actually completes their tasks and wins that way, and it's been kind of bothering me in a sense. I try not to think about it too much, but it makes me wonder what could have actually happened if it went that way, and it never has. Multitasking view. Oh. Mail. I've got no mail. But where does it take the account from? And is that actually legal? Let's go search up the 30-second video. "13 years ago and it's still a classic." Hopefully I don't get sued for this.
This video is 30 seconds long. What's that? It's 30 seconds long. We don't have time to get along.
I do like the harmonizing on it.
You all have many things to do. That's why I'm being short with you. So I've decided not to bore you. By being 30 seconds long. Yes, this is 30 seconds long. We don't have time to wear a thong or smoke a bong or play ping pong. It's true no matter what I do or what I wish to say to you. It's self or not because you see the limitations set on me of being 30 seconds long.
And just like that, we have watched the 30-second video. The best video to test your speakers. Seeing this as an actual ad was weirdly comforting. This was an ad? Oh my god, I wish I had that as an ad. Back when YouTube was great. Getting ready for twice the fields. I got this as a commercial. I'm not sure why, but I ain't complaining. What? How are people getting this as a commercial? I wanted this as a commercial. Ah. The rest of these 30-second videos are dumb. No one wants them. See, that isn't even 30 seconds. It's 15 minutes and 57 seconds. Give me a break. let's go to what's my OS and see if I can figure out. Come on, load, for crying out loud. Linux. We are running a Linux-based OS. We gotta tell Cleverbot this, see what he... Or actually, Cleverbot doesn't really have a set gender. It changes each time. But we gotta tell Cleverbot that we got a new OS, see what it thinks. Hey, Cleverbot. Today I'm still XXXman360, and I have some news for you. I am using a new operating system called, what is it?
Elementary OS version 6.
I don't know. I'm gonna get the name wrong because I did not pay attention to it, but yes. What do you think of Linux-based OSs? No. Oh, you never heard of Linux. Okay, so you do know what it is. What do you think of Linux? Is it good or bad? Well, I mean, I guess that's a fair enough point. But yes, I am using Linux, and you know, I'm talking to Glenn with other 222,513 other people at the same time. Cool. Or technically 512 because I'm the 13th. Okay, let's see. Notification, what's this? No updates. But unfortunately, we won't be able to install those updates because we are using a live disk. And we are about to shut down and exit from such. It's been a nice run, but it is time for the fun to be done. Okay, yes. So thank you, Ruby Birdie, for sending this in. Honestly, this OS isn't that bad. I imagine it would run even faster on an actual disk, but since I'm running it as an ISO, it's a bit slower. But wow, it's like a Mac OS Linux hybrid, so very cool. And to anyone else who is watching, if you'd like to send me your own software, just head down to my Discord server and look for the channel that says "Give Me Software" here. You can submit it there, and I will show it on YouTube. That is all, and thank you for watching.